Well, happy Labor Day, folks. Thanks for spending your evening here with us at Valley News Live at 10 o'clock. Live look at satellite and radar shows no severe storms at this time. There was that severe storm just before the commercial break. That was canceled for Mahnomen and Norman counties, but still a pretty potent storm there in portions of Mahnomen County, which we'll take a closer look into some areas that we're seeing some of that heavier downpour and some lightning activity near Bemidji, actually inside Bemidji as we speak, right up and down the Highway 71 corridor, down toward the Itasca area as well, seeing those reds indicating some of that heavier rainfall there in portions of Beltrami and Clearwater counties. Then there's that storm right now in Mahnomen County. We are seeing just down Highway 59 from Mahnomen, seeing that pink indicating could be a hail core from this particular cell as that's moving its way through southern portions of Mahnomen County. It does look to miss Nadawash off toward the south, but still for our folks, friends there in Nadawash, watch out. This one could still have some small hail with it, as well as some gusty winds and, of course, those heavy downpours. Then further off toward the west, this is now in North Dakota, the Clifford area, down toward Page, seeing another little cell there pushing its way eastward about 45 miles per hour. These cells are moving pretty quickly. And then further up toward the north, this is near the Michigan area, near Tolna, just seeing some light rainfall at this time. Nothing too concerning there for our friends across North Dakota. In Fargo right now, 73 degrees is the air temperature, 1 degree cooler in Moorhead. Notice the wind in Fargo has shifted north-northeast at 21 miles per hour, gusting to 36 miles per hour. So we have seen that wind shift here in Fargo. So that front is passing as we speak, and the air pressure is rising. So high pressure is starting to make its way into Fargo with that north-northeast wind and rising pressures. Right here on the right-hand side of your screen, I have seen some lightning from those storms there off on the horizon, so we may be seeing some of that lightning here from Fargo of those storms off toward the north and west. Now, temperatures 55 in Langdon, that cool air making its way in, 61 in Devil's Lake, Halleck, and Grand Forks, 60s and 70s for our friends in our central Minnesota neighborhoods and off towards southern North Dakota as well. Here's how things look on the hour by hour. We see those storms right now moving pretty quickly off toward the east. Now, I do expect these to be by midnight or so really winding down, fizzling, and of course exiting off toward the east altogether. May still see a few straggling showers here or there, perhaps a few rumbles of thunder overnight, even in the Fargo-Moorhead area around 3 a.m., but by and large, our severe threat will really diminish after about 11 to midnight this evening. You see by 7:30 a.m., cooler air moves in, 50s for most everybody to get us going on our Tuesday morning. It kicks in 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusting at times 30 to 40 miles per hour. Temperatures for your lunchtime walk on Tuesday, 60s and 70s. Plenty of sunshine though through the afternoon, perhaps a few passing clouds here or there in the evening hours, but notice the high temperatures only in the 70s, and that northwest wind continues to pummel with 20 mile per hour sustained winds for us Tuesday afternoon and evening, gusting again at times up to 30 or 40 miles per hour. In the evening hours, though, we will also watching our northern Minnesota neighborhoods. Could be a pop-up shower or storm in our northern Minnesota counties tomorrow evening. But there's your hometown forecast. Seeing those 70s across the board. Our beautiful photo of the day. Stump Lake sunset. Wyatt shared this awesome photo with us to our website, valleynewslive.com. So for the shortened business week, we see those middle 70s for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, a day of change. South wind makes its way in. A chance of rain showers in the PM hours on Friday. Lower 80s for highs there, but for Saturday, for the Bison game there, we're seeing those 70s for highs, but we got dry conditions for Saturday. But if you, of course, follow the Bison schedule, you'll know they're taking on Valparaiso on Saturday. So if you're tailgating and if you're a fan of either team.
Which you are a fan of, you're a fan of both.
I'm a fan of both, so I am torn. I know the reality of the situation for that game on Saturday, but if you're a Valpo fan or a Bison fan, weather looks good for the game.
And a Valpo alum.
And a Valpo alum, indeed.
Okay. Thank you, sir, for the heads up.
Big day for Nathan.
Big day.
All right.